Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to add Meta AI to group chat on Messenger. Firstly, open the Messenger app and then go to any group chat with your friends. At the bottom of the chat, tap on the message field to start typing. Type the add symbol, then select Meta AI from the suggestions that appear. After tagging Meta AI, give or type anything like "give me a funny caption for this beach photo," "find a trending reel about skateboarding," "generate a cool image of a Nyan city at night," or "what's the capital of Iceland." Then tap the send button. Meta AI will respond in the group chat so everyone can see and interact with the reply. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.